Hey everybody, this is Dr. Steve, and in today's Movement Minute we want to perform and discuss the importance of a maneuver that I call the baby get-up. Have you ever learned something that you later forgot and wished you could remember how to do? One of the most important things that babies learn how to do, that some of us forget, is how to integrate their core to their extremities. So if you lose that integration between your core and your extremities, you lose simple things like maybe getting up out of bed or getting up off the floor, and maybe even more complex things like throwing a baseball or doing a dance move or things like that that are athletic endeavors. So the way that a baby develops is at about 3.5 months of age, they learn how to get stable in this position that we call the 3.5-month position. Sometimes I call this the dead bug position. And over the next 3 months, they learn how to get up. So they learn how to roll, and they post with their elbow, and they maintain a high chest, and they come up to this position at about 8 months of development that I often will refer to as the senior picture. So as we reverse this, we go to the elbow, and we slowly roll back to our dead bug position. So to review, we lower the arm, and we reach, and we start to push through the elbow. Right now we have 2 points of contact, our elbow and our hip, which is a good position to practice holding this, because as you can see I'm shaking a little. It requires quite a bit of core strength and stability until we get to a position here. As the infant develops, they will eventually go to a quadruped position and begin to crawl. And eventually they'll back themselves up and stand up and walk. Going down the same way. Senior portrait. Back down to the elbow. Rolling back to the dead bug. So if you're a person that's having difficulty getting up off the floor, or if you're an athlete who's having difficulty integrating your core to your extremities, and you need to improve your performance, the baby get-up is a super place to relearn what maybe you have forgotten. And rebooting this software in your system, it can make improvements in a lot of things that you might not even expect. So that's today's Movement Minute. This is Dr. Steve. We'll see you soon.